Hi, I'm Belle. I wanted to make a show where everyday folks like you and me can eat well cheap. This is Cooking with Belle. Hello, welcome to Cooking with Belle. Today I'm going to be doing zucchini spaghetti. And my ingredients consist of some ground meat, get some bell pepper, onion, garlic, your tomato sauce, whatever sauce you want, and you season it to taste.
Oh wow. So what's going on there?
I'm browning the ground meat, then I'm cut up my vegetables and throw over in here. Yeah. And I always like to use like fresh onion and garlic and stuff. Because it just adds to bring a different taste to your food. I like my powders too, but I love my fresh. Okay. Let that brown up. Let that brown up. And you can cut your vegetables up however you like them, but I like to cut mine up kind of fine because I feel like the finer they are, the more seasoning get through the food. And that's just my opinion.
So you got bell peppers there?
I got bell pepper, onion, and garlic.
I love garlic and bell pepper.
Me too.
Good. Garlic, onion.
Yeah. You can smell that onion already.
It's easy to wash dishes from it too, huh?
What?
The cast iron?
You don't wash it.
Really? What you do?
Wipe it out.
Ooh,
Because see, you have to get those skillets seasoned. And you don't want to put soap in it too. I mean, you can rinse it.
Yeah.
But you don't want to put soap in it.
Really? Cause
it'll ruin your cure.
Wow.
Yeah. Then you have to start all over again.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. At least that's what I do. That's why it stay all nice, black, and shiny.
So if you wash the cast iron, it'll knock the cure out and you keep the seasoning in. Wow.
Yeah. The seasoning is your shine. And the way it have that oil in it, and it keeps it from sticking.
Wow.
Yeah. Your day wasn't wasted. You learned something new.
Yes, indeed.
All right. Look at all that grease come out of that ground meat. I find with most meat, you don't need a lot of oil when you're cooking because it's got so much fat in it, it's going to make its own.
Really?
Yeah. except for when you're frying chicken, then you want a lot of oil.
Because it burned it up fast, huh?
No, you want to get it good and crispy.
Ooh. I think I know what I want for next time.
Okay. Okay, do that. I forget what this thing called, but my daughter bought me this.
What does it do?
It's gonna make this into noodles.
What does it say on the side? It says something on the side.
It said thick spiral, ribbon cut, and I'm using the thin spiral.
Ooh, wow.
I think it's called a veggie something.
Huh. Veggie slicer or something
Veggie,
like that?
I don't know.
A grinder or something?
It's not a grinder. But anyway.
Huh.
I'm trying to get this on.
Belle, what does it do?
I'm going to show you in a minute. Hold on. Just give me a second. I'm trying to make this fit. Alright, there we go. Put this doggone thing fit oh, there you go. I'm going to come back.
Oh, wow.
Let me use this bowl. Okay. That ain't working so well. Come on now.
Oh, wow. It's making the strings of the spaghetti for you.
Yeah. I haven't used it in a while. There we go. I'm still falling on the floor.
Oh, wow, that is awesome. Look at that. The way that machine works. And that's the zucchini, huh?
And you use that in place of your noodles, so it makes it a very healthy dish. And it can be considered keto too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about that.
Try not to burn your brother Rob.
Thanks, Sister Leila. Sister Belle. I appreciate that. You be cooking for me about 2 weeks.
Oh, and if I burn you?
If you burn me.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
I'll be too injured to
I
cook.
wouldn't mind.
No, thank you. I'll be too injured to cook. I'll be like, I can't do it.
I think this 3 gonna be enough.
Oh, that looks like a lot. How much would this be able to feed somebody? It looked like it'd feed a lot of people.
About as much as you can, with a pound of spaghetti, I guess. I've had it before, and it's just as filling to me. Just with the spaghetti,
Yeah.
and it tastes good.
Oh, wow.
And it's a way to eat zucchini if, you know, like a lot of people don't really like zucchini.
Yeah.
So it's a different way to try it. For me, myself, I like zucchini.
So healthy and inexpensive.
Yep.
So roughly how much would a meal like this, the one you're preparing, cost?
Oh, Jesus, I don't know.
Like the ground meat itself?
The
was
ground
like,
meat was like $9. Then the zucchini, I guess what was about $3, so that's $12. Then that spaghetti sauce was $1 and something each. So that it's not expensive at all.
So it sounds like it was like under $15.
Yeah.
And how many people can you feed with this?
With this, about 5 or 6.
5 or 6 people with $15.
Yeah.
You know, for $10 you can feed one person at a fast food restaurant.
Exactly.
Or you can end up eating off this maybe 3 times. You know, you and another person.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Cheap, easy, and delish.
And delicious.
I remember you made that breakfast. Oh my goodness.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Woo! Enjoy wasn't a word.
Okay, I can drain this.
That's amazing.
All right. Reach behind you.
Okay.
This little skillet here.
Definitely everyone at home would definitely want to copy your example here, because man, this food is good. Let me tell you. So you drain the...
All that oil.
What?
That. You don't want that.
Oh, okay, that's the bad stuff. Okay, so you gonna toss that out?
Yeah.
Get rid of that? Okay.
Yeah.
Spanking that ragu, huh? Alfredo, whatever. So now we have a disciplined healthy meal, just not just good for you, but it's been tamed.
It's been spanked.
That's right. It's not naughty for you people. This is really healthy.
Yeah, it's very good. Very good for you. Good for your digestive tract. All that good stuff.
So that's awesome. So you cut down a lot of time. The zucchini, all you had to do was shred it. You don't have to, there's no noodles to cook or anything. It's just...
The only thing you had to do is ground meat. Then you toss that in there. It's going to take about 15 minutes and you're done.
What, to cool off? Or
No,
what you talking about?
put that zucchini in there.
Yeah.
And it might take less than that. All you want to do is get it soft. And it's pretty much soft.
Oh, wow.
You pretty much want to warm it up, I guess.
Nice.
Okay.
So what you doing? Adding a little zucchini at a time?
That was just what I had chopped up. And you know what?
What's that?
I may have to go to a bigger pot. My skillet look like it's about to overflow. But we'll see.
Wow.
You guys spiral it out. Look like noodles, don't it?
They sure do. Wow, I think that was just like, this meal is like totally ingenious.
Wow.
I don't feel too guilty about eating all that bacon.
Well, bacon in itself is not bad for you.
That's true. We need some fats for our brain and different other things, but it's
Muscles.
that carbohydrates that get us, huh?
Yeah. That stuff that linger around.
We need the fats for muscles too?
Yeah, we need it for everything. Fat's good for you. Well, all of it is good for you in the right proportion. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Just like anything. What they say, in moderation.
Yeah.
Don't overdo it.
I know what that word means, but I never practiced it.
Me either. Me either. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get a bear pot.
I mean, and it looks just like noodles when it's cooked. Look at that. It looks just like noodles. You wouldn't tell the difference. Do you taste a difference? It probably tastes like noodles too, huh?
Well, I guess it tastes a little different because you probably know it ain't noodles, but it's good. I may have to put a little salt.
So how many more minutes do you think we have on before it's actually done? Because it looks like it's very close.
I'd say about 10.
10 minutes? So now
you know what? And it depends on how you like your vegetables cooked. Like some people don't like their vegetables cooked all the way, like half.
Yeah.
So it just depends.
So if really, you could eat it like that right now.
Yeah. Like I say, just heat it up and plate it up.
I mean, it really looks like noodles. And if you don't look at the shavings like that, like the rind part, the green, you would never know. I'm serious, you would never know just looking at that. See, wow, zooming in on it right there, it's like amazing, the texture and everything.